Ready to drop 4 kilograms in just 7 days? This full-day diet plan is not only nutrient-packed, but also strategically designed to boost your metabolism, enhance your immune system, and kickstart your weight loss journey. Tune in to learn how to transform your health with every meal. Section 1. Early Morning Start. Kick off the day the right way with an early morning ritual that sets the stage for weight loss success. Drinking apple cider vinegar and lukewarm water can help lower blood sugar levels and boost your metabolism. If apple cider vinegar isn't suitable for you, opt for Jeera water instead. Rich in potassium and iron, Jeera water enhances your immune system and reduces inflammation, making it a powerful start to your 700-calorie diet plan. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Now, let's talk about breakfast options. Breakfast is a critical meal in any diet plan, especially in a calorie-restricted regimen like the 700-calorie diet plan. One fantastic option is the multi-grain sandwich. Utilizing whole grains ensures a supply of complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly and prevent mid-morning crashes. Stuff your sandwich with lean protein sources like grilled chicken or low-fat cheese, and add plenty of fresh vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and cucumbers for added vitamins and minerals. For those who prefer a warm breakfast, veggie oats are an excellent choice. Oats are a superb source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps in lowering cholesterol and stabilizing blood glucose levels. Enhance your oatmeal with spices like cinnamon or cardamom for flavor without additional sugar, and top it with fresh berries to increase the fiber and micronutrient content. Alternatively, a fruit smoothie bowl can offer a refreshing start to your day. Using fresh, seasonal fruits like bananas, apples, or berries provides natural sweetness and a host of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Blend these with a small portion of Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein powder to add protein, which is vital for muscle repair and growth. As always, it's advisable to vary your food choices regularly to cover a broad spectrum of nutrients, which helps in maintaining overall health and aids in effective weight management. Now, let's talk about a mid-morning boost. Green tea is well known for its ability to enhance fat metabolism, which is crucial in a calorie-restricted diet. It contains a catechin called EGCG, which has been studied for its effects on weight loss and metabolic health. Drinking a cup of green tea can help increase the number of calories your body burns through thermogenesis, providing a weight loss advantage while also offering a moment of calm relaxation. Matcha tea. Matcha tea, a more potent form of green tea, is another great option. Matcha tea is celebrated for providing a sustained energy boost without the jitters associated with coffee, thanks to its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine. 1 cup of matcha is nutritionally equivalent to about 10 cups of brewed green tea, making it a powerhouse of antioxidants like EGCG, which can enhance your antioxidant defense, boost metabolic rate, and aid in detoxifying the body. Chilled lemon water. For those who prefer a different flavor profile or benefits, chilled lemon water with fresh mint can be refreshing and invigorating. Lemon water helps in detoxification, aids digestion, and can enhance skin health due to its vitamin C content, while mint adds a soothing element that can help reduce appetite and improve digestion. Incorporating these drinks into your mid-morning routine not only supports hydration, but also contributes to your overall health objectives within the diet plan, keeping you on track towards your weight loss goals. Now, let's talk about a nutritious lunch. Option 1. Quinoa salad with mixed greens and grilled chicken. Quinoa is a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for plant-based foods. Toss cooked quinoa with mixed greens like spinach and arugula, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers for a refreshing salad. Top with a portion of grilled chicken breast for added protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Dress the salad with a lemon vinaigrette for a dose of healthy fats and a bright flavor, making it a satisfying and nutritious choice. Option 2. Brown rice with curry. For a slightly different flavor profile, opt for brown rice, known for its whole grain benefits, including being rich in fiber, which helps maintain a steady blood sugar level. Accompany the rice with a curry of your choice, be it pulses like kidney beans or chickpeas, or a lean protein like chicken or fish. These ingredients not only provide essential proteins, but also important vitamins and minerals for overall health. Adding a curry ensures you're consuming a range of spices, which can naturally boost metabolism and provide antioxidants. Here are some tips for enhancing your lunch experience. Experiment with spices. Spices not only enhance flavor without adding calories, but also possess health benefits, including boosting metabolism and offering antioxidant properties. Stay hydrated. Accompany your meal with a glass of water or herbal tea to aid digestion and stay hydrated. Mindful eating. Take the time to chew your food thoroughly, which can aid in digestion and help you feel more satisfied with your meals. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates, and I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to Section 5, Healthy Snacks. Option 1. Tea or coffee with nuts and fruits. Enjoying a hot beverage like green tea or black coffee can offer a comforting pause in your day. These drinks are low in calories and rich in antioxidants, particularly green tea, which contains catechins known to enhance fat burning and support weight loss. Pair your beverage with a carefully measured portion of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or pistachios are great choices. Nuts are high in protein and healthy fats, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. Complement this with a piece of fruit, such as an apple or a few berries, to add fiber, which aids in digestion and prolongs the feeling of fullness. Option 2. Chilled lemon water with mint and melon. For a refreshing twist, opt for chilled lemon water infused with fresh mint. Accompany this with a slice of melon, watermelon, cantaloupe, or honeydew. Melons are low in calories, yet rich in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, which supports heart health and muscle function. This snack is particularly good for keeping you hydrated and refreshed, making it ideal for warmer days or post-workout recovery. Key nutritional tips for healthy snacking. Protein and fiber. Include sources of protein and fiber in your snacks to help keep you satisfied and support muscle health. Mindful portion sizes. Always be mindful of the portion sizes. Even healthy snacks can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Variety. Rotate your snacks to include a variety of fruits, nuts, and beverages to provide a broad spectrum of nutrients and keep your diet interesting. Now, let's talk about light dinner ideas. Option 1. Lemon coriander soup. A bowl of warm lemon coriander soup can be both comforting and beneficial for weight management. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which not only boosts the immune system, but also aids in iron absorption, while coriander offers digestive benefits and a subtle flavor enhancement. To make this soup, simmer freshly chopped coriander, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a mix of vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. These ingredients provide a good balance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This soup is particularly effective for a light dinner because it helps in hydration and digestion, making it perfect for promoting a good night's sleep. Option 2. Grilled vegetables with herb dressing. For those who prefer a more solid meal, grilled vegetables topped with a light herb dressing offer a delicious and nutritious option. Choose a variety of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant. These are not only low in calories, but also rich in dietary fibers and antioxidants. Grill them to enhance their natural sweetness and top with a dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs like parsley or basil. Nutritional considerations for light dinners. High fiber. Include high-fiber vegetables to help with overnight digestion and satiety, reducing the likelihood of late-night snacking. Low-calorie. Ensure that the dishes are low in calories but high in nutritional value to stick to your diet goals without sacrificing health. Hydration. Incorporating soupy or liquid-based meals like broth can help increase your fluid intake, contributing to hydration. Now, let's talk about bedtime rituals. Capping off your day with a calming bedtime ritual can significantly enhance the quality of your sleep and support your metabolic health, essential for effective weight loss on a 700-calorie diet plan. Option 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a popular choice for a nighttime drink due to its natural properties that can help reduce anxiety and induce sleep. This herbal tea has mild sedative effects, which can calm the nervous system and help you unwind after a busy day. Drinking a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bed can prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Option 2. Lavender-infused water. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties and ability to enhance sleep quality. Preparing a cup of warm water infused with lavender buds can help soothe the nervous system, reduce stress, and promote a sense of relaxation before bed. The floral aroma of lavender is also known to lower heart rate and blood pressure, further aiding in the transition to sleep. Drinking this slightly flavored lavender water about 30 minutes before bedtime can set the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Key benefits of bedtime rituals. Digestive health. Both chamomile tea and ajwain water promote good digestion, reducing the likelihood of discomfort that can disturb sleep. Relaxation. These beverages help in calming the mind and body, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Metabolic support. Maintaining hydration and supporting digestive health indirectly aid in maintaining a healthy metabolism, which is crucial for weight loss. Overall health benefits. The 700-calorie diet plan not only aids in rapid weight loss, but also offers comprehensive health benefits when followed correctly. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, this diet plan enhances metabolic health, supports immune function, and improves blood sugar regulation. The emphasis on whole foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants helps to detoxify the body and promote overall well-being. Additionally, the structured meal times and portion control can improve digestive health and encourage long-term healthy eating habits, making it a beneficial approach for those looking to make significant lifestyle changes. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to 700-calorie diet plan to lose weight. Embrace health, celebrate life.